Kyaila Grace here, and welcome back to another one of my videos. So y'all, in today's video I decided to explore different ways to save my coin, and one of them ways being doing my own hair. Y'all, I'm not no hairstylist or nothing like that, so I've been doing a little bit of research. I be spending all this money, hundreds and hundreds of dollars, and not even really satisfied with the work. So I figured if I can spend hundreds of dollars and pay somebody else and I don't even like it, I can attempt to do my own hair. So I did go to my local beauty supply store. I got some pack hair. Haven't wore pack hair in years, but we finna try, y'all. Everything I got was under $100. I spent $92 total. I got wig caps, hair, glue, because I'm gonna be trying this Quickweave. So if you are interested in seeing how my hair come out, then make sure you stay tuned, and do not forget to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so I am starting off with fresh, deep conditioned hair. I was contemplating on blow drying my hair, but I don't think it's necessary for this style. The less heat I use throughout my head, the better. I twisted my hair so I could let it air dry. However, it is still semi-wet. I probably could have let it dry a little longer, but it's okay. I love me a good sleek middle part, so it did take me a little minute to get my part as centered and straight as possible. But throughout all the reference videos I watched on YouTube, I found that braiding my hair straight to the back was the easiest. I did not braid all the way down, just far enough to where it wouldn't unravel. I'm not too big of a fan of bulky hair, so I did smaller braids to make sure it was flat and not lumpy. I did 4 braids on each side and 1 down the center of the back of my head. I give it up to all the braiders out there because, Lord, my arms were tired. And forget my facial expressions throughout this video because during the whole process of braiding my hair, y'all do not know how many times I was just about to say forget it, because my arms literally felt like they were about to fall off. But you know, perseverance came through. Y'all, I had to get up and go to a bigger mirror so I can see what I'm doing better, but the braids turned out so much better than I thought they would. I got real discouraged because I couldn't see the way I was parting my hair, and I thought the parts were crooked and all over the place, but this just goes to show to believe in yourself and trust the process, because this isn't so bad. I was shook like, okay, I see you, Kyaila, with the gel braids. And think about it, most stylists be charging like $100 for a sew-in with this super basic braid pattern. Like, girl, bye. Y'all better start doing this stuff yourself and saving y'all some money. Now I'm just putting this wig cap over my head and making sure that all the braids are tucked underneath, because we do not want no loose braids slipping out underneath our wig caps. This was only $1 and it came with a pack of 2. Now, I'm not a fan of a whole lot of leave out, so I just pulled out any hairs on the side that I couldn't braid. Then I'm going in with this glue protective shield I got from my local beauty supply store and applying that all over my cap. Now, I did see girls apply this with one of those hair dyeing brushes. Y'all know exactly which one I'm talking about. Or even a comb, but I didn't have that and a comb wasn't working. So guess what? I improvised and slapped this stuff all over my cap and rubbed it in with my fingers. I'm no stylist, but I do know this is very crucial to have with Quickweaves because it prevents the glue from sticking to your actual hair. And for further protection, I doubled up on the wig caps and I went over my head with a blow dryer before gluing in the tracks. Now this is the anxious yet exciting part because you can start to see the hair come together. I started with my longest pack of hair first. I got 2 packs, a 12 and a 14 inch. All I'm doing is taking the track and measuring around my head from one end to the other, and I work my way from the bottom to the top of my head. I do cut and glue as I go, and I make sure I put a blow dryer to each track so I can secure it. I was extra careful in making sure I spaced my tracks out accordingly because I didn't want my hair looking gappy, empty, or looking like it was something missing. Plus, all I had was only 2 packs of hair, so I couldn't afford to screw this up. In order to make sure I was spacing the tracks correctly, all I did was use my fingers to feel where the previous track was laid, and I go up like a few centimeters. You pretty much just gotta take a calculated guess. Oh my gosh, I am so proud of myself because look at how good it's turning out. But when it comes to cutting this wig cap around your leave out, be careful. I'm not gonna lie, I accidentally snipped a little bit of my real hair trying to cut the cap. I also found that outlining your leave out with concealer or something is very helpful when it comes to cutting because it's like an outline or a guide so you know exactly where to cut and where to lay those last tracks. After that, I'm just flat ironing and brushing my leave out in small sections so it can blend real well with the weave. Okay, so the hair is definitely giving, but I felt like something about it was just off. So I decided to go in and cut some layers or feathers in my hair so I can frame my face. I'm really into sleek and natural looks, so this was perfect. I thought I was gonna need one of them little razor combs, but the scissors worked just fine. Not too bad for somebody who don't really do hair. And there you have it, a completed hairstyle that I did all by myself for under $100. I'm always stunned at my capabilities, and this is coming from somebody who never does my own hair. If you are someone who's sick of paying stylists for bare minimum work, or you're just looking for ways to save money like myself, then this video is for you. Definitely let me know what y'all think down in the comment section below, and I hope y'all all take a chance on yourself and save some money. So I really hope you enjoyed this video or found it useful in some way, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Do not forget to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe.